In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the dollar rate in Binance, Pakistan. Now, whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned trader, knowing the exchange rate between the dollar and your local currency is absolutely essential. It helps you in making informed decisions, especially if you are planning to trade or simply want to keep track of currency fluctuations. So let's dive into the process and I'll guide you through each step with ease. First things first, you'll want to open your Binance app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it on both the iOS App Store and Google Play. Once you have it installed, tap on the app icon to launch it. You'll be greeted by the home screen, which might seem busy for newcomers, but don't worry, we're just a few taps away from finding the information we need. Next, navigate to the trade section. You'll notice various options, and among them is P2P, which stands for peer-to-peer trading. Tap on P2P to proceed. This is a crucial step because the P2P section allows you to trade directly with other users. It's the section where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies using your local currency directly without having to convert your cryptocurrency to dollars or any other currency through the main market. After entering the P2P section, it's time to select the currencies you are interested in. For this tutorial, we are focusing on checking the exchange rate from the US dollar to the Pakistani rupee. So you'll select USDT, which stands for Tether, a cryptocurrency stablecoin that's most closely pegged to the US dollar. Then set the currency to PKR, representing the Pakistani rupee. Once you have selected USDT and PKR, you will be presented with a list of live seller prices. This list reflects the different rates at which other Binance users are willing to exchange USDT for PKR. You'll likely see a range of prices, often around 291 to 292 rupees per dollar. This fluctuation is normal as it represents the current market conditions and user set prices. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily check the current dollar rate in Pakistani rupees using Binance. This information is incredibly functional for anyone involved in trading or looking to get started with trading in the crypto space. Ensure you keep an eye on these rates if they play into any investment or trading decisions you make. I hope you found this guide clear and easy to follow, enhancing your ability to engage with Binance's platform confidently. Thank you for watching and happy trading.